Alright guys, welcome back to a new video from Upstate Garage, and if you're new to the video, lightly tap the subscribe button down below. Today, the Q50 is on the frame machine, and there's some unsuspected stuff that just went down, so we started pulling a little bit. I'm gonna flip this camera around. Started pulling and they started tearing this over here, so what ended up happening is we had to cut off a little piece right there, and we're gonna try to get a new section right there, but the frame rail's still up, so we're actually gonna attach it and pull it downwards, and hopefully all these creases up here will straighten themselves out and stuff like that. So right now what I'm gonna do is set up a time lapse and let's start pulling. All right, check this out, guys. So there's a fat crease right there. We pretty much got it out. And this one right here, as we pulled it and hit it over there, the crease just came out. And right here, there was a really bad, there was no gap pretty much right here. There's starting to become a gap right there. So the more we keep working on it, the better it's looking and it's gonna get. And hopefully we're gonna find a new piece we can weld on it right here. And we're gonna have to start doing some body work probably right there to cover it up real nice. But frame is coming out real good. Look at this job, guys. So it's all welded up. We got the new piece welded on there. It looks OEM. We're just gonna get some paint and paint right over it. No one's gonna really tell. I mean, the seam sealer came out really nice. We're using this little brush right here. Turned out good. Also, guys, right here, we did take the lower subframe reinforcement piece off, and this metal piece did crack off, but at least it's not like the main subframe part. You can just weld that back on. So we're gonna do that as soon as the welder guy, because we don't have an aluminum welder currently at the shop. So until the guy comes and welds it on, we're at a pickle right now. All right, guys, so check this out. We got our fender on here and the headlight is back on here, and check out these gaps. Looking good. We did get the brand new hinges, so the gaps are looking good all throughout the car. And check out this side as well, looking good. So right now what we're gonna do is throw the front bumper on the car and check out how the entire car looks. Everything's lining up good, and all the repairs behind the fender have been made. Everything's good, so let's throw the front bumper on and see how this thing looks. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video we got ourselves brand new build Honda S2000 AP1. Let's go check it out.